This is how to unstake any crypto on Bybit. In this video, I will demonstrate how to transfer and move your money from Earn account to either unified or funding account. You see, when you deposit your crypto, in this case any crypto on Bybit, and you are not using that crypto immediately, Bybit will take that crypto and start giving you interest on it automatically. A lot of users don't know what to do and how to recover that money. So to recover your funds from auto saving to your unified or funding account, this is what you do. You click asset. These are my assets, what I have in funding, unified. You can see invested products, but when your funds are ahead and it's on auto savings, this is where you find them. So you click this arrow. When you click this arrow, you can see total equity under Bybit Earn. You can see Earn crypto. So all these are Earn products in different categories, but I currently have funds under Bybit savings on auto savings. So for me to move this money to my unified or fund account, you click this arrow so that you can use your money, either you transfer or you want to use it to trade. You come down here under flexible, you select each of the crypto. In this case, only one crypto that is being staked. So for us to unstake it, you click this. If you are not seeing it, that implies under fixed amount. You click fixed. You see there's nothing here. So all the one that you intentionally stake with a higher percentage of interest, you find them here and you can treat it the same way. But when you unstake any crypto that is fixed, it will take like 48 hours plus. So for you to unstake this amount, for you to have access to your money, you click this arrow. The staking period is flexible. So what we are doing is to redeem this and unstake it. So for you to unstake it, you click unstake, this button. If you want to stake more, you buy more by clicking this button. But I want to unstake so that I can have access to my funds. You click unstake. Where do you want to unstake your money to? Are you unstaking to funding account or unified account? When you release this money to funding account, you'll be able to withdraw your money and send it out of the platform. When you unstake this money to unified trading account, you'll be able to trade with your funds. But in this case, I'm unstaking to funding account, so I'm choosing funding account. So after you've made your choice, you decide how much of this money are you unstaking. You select the amount here by clicking this place. You type any amount, if it is 10, 12, but for the purpose of this video, I'm unstaking all the amount, so I will click maximum. I will click maximum. So I'm unstaking the whole amount. I'm moving them to funding account. So you click unstake. You confirm unstake. So the money will go to funding account automatically. So if you come back, you can see the money is now on funding account. So this is how you unstake and transfer your cryptos to either unified account or funding account on Bybit. So what do you think? All you need to do is to use the links below the description of this video. Also, do well to check out my YouTube one-on-one training. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.